Hello everyone and welcome back to the Devlog for Real Communism, my city builder game. Let's check out this week's progress. One thing that I love to have in most games that I play is controller support. It's nice to be able to lean back from my keyboard and relax while I play. So I figured I'd give it a go at adding some controller support to this game. My thoughts are to assign player movement to the left thumbstick and cursor movement to the right thumbstick. Then, when certain UIs are on the screen, the D-pad can be used to navigate the menus. Using a combination of these mechanics should allow the player to do effectively everything that is possible on a mouse and a keyboard. There's still a lot to finish before controller support is fully implemented, but at this point I'm able to start up the game, navigate the main menu to start a new game, with or without the tutorial, and build any building in the game apart from the roads. Roads will require more work since there's a double selection involved to fully build them. I also still need to implement the ability to select buildings and citizens to open their respective UIs. Either way, controller support is in the process of being added, and I think it will be a nice feature when it's completed. I also added 2 songs to the soundtrack this week, bringing the total up to 3. Now that there are multiple songs, I added the ability for the player to change the current song. As a new song plays, a pop-up will show in the lower left corner of the screen, giving the name of the song. Knowing music is not my strong suit, I want to put in as many options as possible to opt out or to customize it to the player's content. If nothing else, I just don't want it to ruin the fun of the game by forcing the player to listen to something that they don't want to. Not too bad of a week. Controller support is a really cool feature, and I think that it'll be worth the time that it takes to actually have it implemented. And music is something that I'm just going to have to continually work on over time, and hopefully by the time the game is ready to launch, I'll have enough music built up that it won't be so repetitive. Please support the game by wishlisting it on Steam. You can find a link to that in the description. And if you want to keep up with the development progress of this game, subscribe to this channel. You can also follow me on X/Twitter at Hayden Marlowe_ or on TikTok at Marlowe Development. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.